SDK.finance. Running the project locally takes just a few steps. First, install the project dependencies. In the root of the repository, run npm install. This installs everything across the monorepo, all apps, shared packages, and models. Next, set up the environment variables. In the .env.development file located at the root of the project, you need to specify the backend host. This tells the frontend where to send API requests during development. And finally, start the app with npm run dev. Let's launch the development server. You should now see it up and running, with the application loading in your browser. Everything's set, you're ready to start working with the app locally. That's it, up, running, and ready for development.